Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going towards Swaraj Island, formerly known as Havelock Island. How to reach Swaraj Island? The best way to reach Swaraj Island is by the air-conditioned catamaran, which take approx 90 minutes from Port Blair. Government ferry service available as well, which takes approx 2 hours 50 minutes to reach. MV Macruz offer 3 categories of seating to passenger with a capacity of 208 passengers in the premium category, 64 in deluxe and 8 in the royal category. Several private ferry like Macruz, Green Ocean, Sea-Link daily operates between Port Blair and Swaraj Deep. For the government ferries, you can check the timing in Andaman Tourism NIC website, or you can check directly in Phoenix Bay Jetty. From Swaraj Deep Jetty to Radhanagar Beach is 12 km away. You can hire cabs, autos, rickshaw to reach the beach. What do you want? In Swaraj Deep, Swaraj Deep has white sandy beaches, blue waters, mangroves, exotic corals, scuba diving, long jungle trek. You can find there everything. If you want to know best time to visit Radhanagar beach, I will suggest you to come in October to February. During this session, the temperature will be very pleasant. If you handle hot and humid climate, March to May is also a good time to visit. The monsoon season is usually avoided by the tourists due to heavy rainfall and thunderstorms, which may create some problems to your sightseeing plans. Due to low tourist inflow, June to September, hotels in Havelock remain at an all-time low. So if you are on a budget and if you like rainy weather, definitely this season is for you. Few famous beaches of Swaraj Deep are Elephant Beach, Vijayanagar Beach, Radhanagar Beach. Elephant Beach is famous for water sports activities. Most famous beach is Radhanagar Beach in Havelock Island. Radhanagar Beach is regarded as the best beach in India. Radhanagar Beach is commonly called beach number 7. This beach holds the 7th rank among the world best beaches awarded by Time magazine. Interesting thing about this beach is sand here so soft and clean that you can find even a small stone in the sand. Beach beds and shower rooms are also available at the beach, making it a perfect luxurious spot. It is advised to apply a strong sunscreen lotion to protect yourself from the sun's glare. in such a beautiful place. Walk barefoot. You will feel heaven-like. This is the idol of Ma Ganga. You can see the natives of the islands are performing Ganga Pujan. They are maintaining all the rituals and customs in proper and systematic way. After Ganga Pujan completed, they are distributing prasad. Some of the best hotels in Andaman are located at the Radhanagar beach. If you not want to stay, you can still go there for having a lavish lunch. Returning towards Port Blair,